All right, welcome to Talkin' Investing. I am Tom, and as always, this is not financial advice. Today, I want to give an update on Bitcoin and talk a little bit about the Bitcoin 2022 conference. We cover Bitcoin and the Bitcoin miners quite a bit on this channel. If that's content that you're interested in, or if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Also, smash the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. So today is Sunday, April 10th. I want to just go through Bitcoin. I did an update yesterday and I wanted to give another update because I did say at the end of yesterday's video, we're kind of at a critical point here. So I just want to keep everybody up to date. I'm going to go through the Bitcoin charts today. I'm not really going to go through the Bitcoin miner charts. Obviously, nothing's happened. It's Sunday, so no trading over the weekend. And I just want to give a general statement right now about the Bitcoin conference. I will be doing follow-up videos on this all week this week. I spent 3 days at the Bitcoin mining conference. I went to a lot of different speeches, a lot of different panels. I will tell you, I was not expecting this, but I did come away from that conference with a higher level of conviction in Bitcoin and the Bitcoin miners than I had when I went there. And that was a surprise to me. There was some stuff that was said there, and overall sentiment, and some new things that I didn't really know. It was really worth doing. It was a learning experience, and I will definitely go again next year. Later this week, I want to spend some time doing some videos on some specific stuff, including ESG, including Bitcoin adoption. There was a lot of very positive news. What didn't happen was there was not a bombshell announcement that was a catalyst for Bitcoin to run up. But there were some announcements that I think were much more important than people realized. We'll get into that more as the week goes on. I just wanted to put that out there. Right now, let's go take a look at the Bitcoin chart. This is the Bitcoin chart on the 30-minute time frame. So each one of these candles is 30 minutes. So you'll see this orange line right here dates back to when the equities closed on Friday. So Bitcoin was at 42,739. It is currently at 43,170. And you'll see initially we dipped below this line and tested this very important line of support, this purple line at 42,400-ish. That was the bottom of the flash crash back on December 3rd. That has been an important line of support / resistance ever since. So it was critical. We really tested this. And again, this is on the 30-minute time frame. We really tested this big time on Friday and Saturday. But as you can see, so far, this held up and it rode this line for a long time. And then we started to move up. So we bounced off it again. And now we are now above where we were at the close of market on Friday, at the close of the equities market. So Bitcoin looks to be gaining a little bit of momentum. Still too soon to make a call, bullish or bearish, but obviously very important. We had stressed that we needed to pass this test right here. So we've passed the first test on this line of support. I would not be surprised if we go back and test it again. So hopefully we hold this line and start heading up by the time the equities are trading, maybe on Monday. Okay, so if we look at the 4-hour chart, you'll see there was a massive trend from, the middle of March. We were down at the 37 range and we got all the way up to almost 48,000. Actually, we passed 48,000 over the next couple of weeks. And now we've spent the last week and a half kind of starting sideways and then heading down. So from top to bottom, we had over a 12% correction. From the top to where we are right now, it's about a 10.5 points down. So this is a pretty typical pullback for crypto. I don't think anything's changed the bull case scenario yet. We have been bullish. Everything's looked bullish. This is a 10 to 12% pullback, so that does not destroy that. However, we looked at, if you didn't watch my video yesterday, you should watch it. We looked at a lot of the indexes, and they were starting to become very neutral versus bullish. So we'll take a quick peek again at those today, but we did pass a very important test overnight. So again, if I zoom out again, this is on the 1-day chart. So each one of these candles represents 1 day. You'll see Friday and Saturday, we really tested this line both days. Today, we've been above the line from start to finish. So at the moment, this was a successful retest of this line of support. So hopefully we'll get some upward momentum from here. Again, I certainly won't be surprised if we go back down and retest this line. And everything is still at a point where it's still very hard to determine in the short term whether we are bullish or bearish for the next, few days or week. Having said that, I still see this as a long-term upward trend in Bitcoin dating back to, January 24th. So that's been several months now. I don't think that momentum has stopped. If you look at the MACD, you'll see on April 5th, we had a negative crossover and the histogram turned red. We went from dark green to light green, and as we crossed over, we turned into dark red. We're now light red, and I think these lines are starting to reconverge, but it's way too early to call that. But this is some momentum in the right direction. And then if we look at the daily RSI, you'll see that we had crossed over 50 back on April 15th. And from that date, we had basically this huge run up. This is where we peaked on the RSI at a little over 70, which is starting to be overbought. We have gone under 50. So we spent Friday at 43.5, Saturday at 45.8. And today, at the moment, we're at 47.65. So we're inching our way back up to 50. If we could get back over that 50% tomorrow, possibly we could continue back onto this upward trend bull run that we've been on. So just to finish up on the 30-minute time frame, we definitely over the last 3 hours have had a nice push to the upside. We struggled at this line where we closed on Friday. We have broken through that. We've held above it now for a couple of hours. So again, this is late Sunday afternoon. We'll have to see how Sunday night goes, and we'll see where we are trading in the morning on Monday. So that's all I've got for Bitcoin right now. I will definitely do an update tomorrow. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and please smash the like button. Thanks for watching.